This is the iPower 3-in-1 soil tester. Behind me is my fig tree. And I was doing some research on fig trees, and it said that the pH level on a fig tree should be somewhere between 6 and 7. So I got this thing to check it out. This is a 3-in-1 gauge. It measures moisture, light, and the pH level on here, and I'll show you how easy this thing is to work. You see the gauge on here has 3 different readings. At the bottom, you've got the pH level. In the middle, you have the moisture level going from dry to wet. And at the top, you have the light level, which is measured from this little light gauge right here, which goes from dark to light. But let's set this to pH right now, and I'll show you how easy this thing is to use. Stick it in the ground near where your tree is. Right now, it has the pH level of my soil sitting at around 7, between 6 and 7, closer to the 7 side. And that is perfect for a fig tree. Now, if I were to change this to moisture, it has rained here for several days, and you can see that it is very wet in the ground. That's good, we know that. We'll change it to light. It's about 5 p.m. here right now. And just to show you, if I cover this sensor up, it goes all the way to dark. Let it go, goes back up. So there it is, a 3-in-1 soil tester. Pretty cool.